Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. We are here with another Ipsy unboxing. I feel very excited for this month, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump right in. If you enjoy these unboxings, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. So this month we have It's a Self-Love Affair. I'm so excited for February. I usually like the Ipsy February unboxings, so we're gonna see what we got this month. Starting off, we're gonna dive into the Ipsy bag. So this is the bag. It's so cute. It even has this darling little charm here with the little black bow. I think it's so cute and it feels so soft. Just very aesthetic, very cute and pastel pink. And the details right here have the Ipsy on the heart. The first thing that we have are, ooh, we got some Wander Beauty, such a good brand. I love these. I'm actually traveling to Mexico very soon and definitely gonna be bringing these along with me. These are such a good eye mask and I'm absolutely gonna need these this month. It's like they already knew. So this comes with a little pack of 2. And they'll just be perfect for any vacation that you're heading on or traveling anywhere. And really love these ones. So next we have a little eyeshadow palette. This is from Pearl Nova. And it's very on brand with the Ipsy box this month. The colors are just all pink so far. This is a really cute package. I like this little eyeshadow palette. I think the colors are really pretty too. It's very unique, but I really like the colors. And next we have, I think it's pronounced Sonage Saffron Energizing Vitamin Mask. It firms and hydrates the skin. So a very cute mini to have. I feel like I definitely need to use this month because my skin has been so dry. Hoping that helps. Next we have this, a Set It Up setting spray. I have so much setting spray and I still yet don't have a favorite. So I'm gonna try this on right now. This is by Mo Beauty. I'm very specific with my setting sprays, so see how this one works. All right, so honest opinion right here. I don't like the scent. The scent, I don't really like when they have a strong scent, and this one is definitely a very strong scent. Cheap perfume. I actually really don't like this, but that's okay. Not for everybody. And what we have last in here, I'm so excited for this. This is the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes Universal Volumizing Mascara in the shade Black. I am such a Rare Beauty girl. I love Rare Beauty. So I'm very excited for this. And it's a little mini, so I'm absolutely gonna take it on my trip. And the brush looks very nice. It kind of reminds me of the Better Than Sex brush. So very excited to use this one. Let me know if you guys have given it a try because I have not just yet. But I have to say this and the Wander Beauty product are my favorites so far. And if you're interested, the bag is kind of like a light pastel green inside, which kind of reminds me of strawberries, but it's still a really cute bag. This is our Boxycharm, and as always, they include a little Boxycharm ad. And we're gonna dive in here, already seeing some nice goodies. We have some makeup brushes from Luna Magic. And their cute little motto is, "We are beauty with a vibe." So this is their brush in the 777. It's very soft, kind of fluffy, a nice little bronzer brush. And we also have the brush in the 1111. I feel like I can never have too many makeup brushes. Honestly, I always have to clean them and I'm always going through them, but I can always use more makeup brushes. All right, I'm just gonna grab the next biggest thing in here, which is the Keep It Clean Hydrating Gel Cleanser. Thank goodness, because I'm running out of cleansers. This is from the In Beauty Project. They are certified vegan and cruelty-free. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and see how their packaging is. So it is in a plastic bottle. This is what it looks like. Let me know if you guys have tried this brand before. I've never tried them. And it doesn't quite have a scent. I was kind of expecting like an apple scent, but not really a scent, not like really fragranced. So I'll be giving this a try. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried this or have tried this brand by any chance. Our next product here, this is the Ace Beauté Mystic Romance. This is gonna be a palette here. Shades are really pretty. I feel like I have so many palettes with these shades in them though, so I will probably give this away, but it looks really pretty. I could even do like a swatch on a separate video if you guys would like, but let me know. And next we have some Ultra Glow lip oil. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I never use a lip oil. I kind of like went through a stage where I was wearing lip gloss, but I just hate when my hair gets stuck in my lip gloss, and that happens quite a bit to me. This is from Eloise. So I'm just gonna put it right on top of my current lipstick and see what we get. It smells and tastes like lip smackers, like the little chapsticks that I used to get when I was little. They are vegan, cruelty-free, and I'll probably use this as like a little topper. And last but not least, we have this Grown Alchemist Skin Renewal Day Cream. So I'm pretty sure I had a sample of this before, and I used it and I loved it. I'm pretty sure it's the same cream that I use, but if it is, this is definitely approved. I really like it. I just cannot remember if it was a different cream by them, but anything that I've tried from them so far, I really enjoyed. It made my skin feel very nice, so I am happy that I got this product because they are a good brand. They really are. All right, now we have the Icon box. Just gonna grab and go. So our first product here is the Ren Clean Skincare. This is one of their masks. Glycolactic Radiance Renewal Mask with AHAs in it, which we love AHAs. They are vegan as well, and they're clean to the skin, clean to the planet. I'm excited to try this mask out. Next we have a hair cream. I've never heard of this brand. I've never seen this brand. It is a heat protectant hair cream, and I have to give it a smell. Okay, it definitely smells like a hair protectant. I don't know how to really describe that scent, but once you smell it, you know. And forgive me if I pronounce this wrong, but I believe it's by Sasha Wan. And next we have, this, it just looks fancy. Mason Louis Marie. Ooh, it's a perfume oil. I have to try this out today. It's a perfect little mini, you guys. It's just presented so cute in a little box. This is the number 13. I'm gonna give this a try. Oh, it smells heavenly. I really like this. I think this will be so perfect for a little date night. I'm actually a really big fan. I'm more than excited for this product, actually. It smells so nice. I might have found my scent, you guys. All right, friends, let's see what else we have in here. Looks like another eyeshadow palette. This is the Dominique Essential Palette. Okay, I will give it, the packaging is really cute, guys. I think this is really cute. What do you guys think? The shades are really nice and soft. There's some shimmers, some mattes, a little bit of mix. I think it's nice. Next we have this Kat Von D. Ooh, what is this? Kat Von D Full Sleeve Long Mascara. I have not used Kat Von D's products in years, but the packaging is really cute. I don't know how you guys feel about the Kat Von D products, but I don't think I've ever tried one of her mascaras. So this is her full sleeve. It has like a cute little design on it. Very tattoo-like. She probably drew all these, honestly. It's kind of hard to see in the video though, so you kind of have to look at it in person to really look at the designs. The brush looks really nice. I will definitely give this a try. And next we have, ooh, what is this? Tragic Me. I believe this is a lipstick, GXVE. I don't know what brand this is, but if you guys do, please let me know in the comments. So I'm just not in love with the packaging, but let's check out this color. It's a very pretty shade. I don't know necessarily if it'll look that great on me, but it's not bad. So I'm very fair, but I will be getting my tan on when I go on vacation. So you can really tell the pigment here because I have literally zero tan right now. Next we have, what is this? Oh, this is exciting. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's their Brow Freeze, their brow styling wax applicator. I am very excited for this because, again, I get so excited when it comes to brushes, and I feel like Anastasia, she just knows what she's doing with every single thing she creates, so I'm very excited to put this to use. We also have another product from this brand, GXVE. Forgive me, I'm not getting it quite right. So, Line It Up 24-Hour Gel Pencil Liner. And it looks like it's in this blue color. So that could be fun to use, but I have not worn a blue liner in so long. And we have one last product here, another favorite. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's their Brow Freeze. Perfect because we now have that brow applicator brush. So this is her brow styling wax, and you guys, I am so excited to use this. I've been eyeballing it, and I was gonna put an order in on Sephora, but I'm so glad I didn't just yet, so I could give this a true try already. I really want to get those fluffy brows, so your girl will definitely be using this. And that is all for today's unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed a lot of the products. There were some products that I was not so fond about, but overall, this was a very good box and one of the better boxes that I've received before. So let me know what you guys think and give me a comment, leave me a hello, a little cute emoji, whatever your favorite emoji is, just come say hello in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. And one more thing, of course, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so I can see you in my future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.